Shana ruac Kiir mayardit lat gwasame shana jalinkel. Kiir mayardit te kuraj mishalat ka kui cabinet key minister tin content cha kwanyre which ka South Sudan. Ajan gorman wo bajan nyaka yekel gwasame. Shala ruwonene. Ajan shala no I will support you to establish a strong government. She ne lat ka chika jogo no be support ke bana shon kɛɛl ko bi kon kuumɛ jadid banje kule shak kuumɛ jadid shak mo jan dong de kor kul tige je en wo kuumɛ dien kuumɛ ger kuumɛ mente tin tam wala kuumɛ me be ban ruac me ban je linkel kan konore ruac me kanor online tibisional na ko jen wo jender subscribe kade notification bell de je twany ko bilaren continue ko gwasme be kan shamala shubkeji gore jen wo min no goja den notification be alder je twany der subscribe der share ba der ja ko pin gwasme ko ba je nene neti ko ken ban lere me mishano nga Kiir mayardit de ban je link ken yam ban je link thoknath ka kore be je nyoko ko nje ya ka to english ka do bana nan charge no goja gwaye ban wore la kan me Kiir mayardit charo de ya no be chonkel ka latin cha kwany la minister tin kodin cha kwanyare kuumɛ ka South Sudan ngai konen wote ka kwaran wani cha kwany ke kan ninde pai wote ngai kon kwara kon cha kwany kan kwara ko le jogo no gore jeno bay e support re lanen content bana kuumɛ jidit ke kuumɛ bumbum ban je kulo me chak kɛɛl Kiir shola ne tin pai kwanyen go shana let kɛɛl lana wejika ke lana ne koneka ko jan doben bana we South Sudan ban je jako bete kamal ka ja Kiir mayardit charaja mo chaja kwen chalar gwaza men wo kwaye congratulate yandial kan kononiam wala shanka waro ka pai diok ron kina dangro sorry an wala shanka wal diok ka pai diok ron kina dangro wid jan dangro wid diech ka Kiir mayardit lade raja me ka shanka waro ka pai diok ron kina dangro jan dangro wid diech gwase dan e lada ka kwara konte cha kwany take a swearing ceremony mishalat ke jan Wednesday ke shanga diok ka jan pai diok me shanga waro ka pai diok ron kina dangro jan dangro wid diech gwad mi shi President Kiir tenetin content pai kwany la new official ke kwara jidien kon pai kwany chaga jogo no tama ngaja ladun re wojen no lan mutede ka ngaja jen wo tien ka lat miladiana so chan let kɛɛl ki be support la dan ladiana amu wi la go ban let kɛɛl chaga chu congratulate kan dial kan to ka do brana cha kwan geja jen me ban la de wo ban strong government ban jarialeka no ngaye gwada me ko be chon kɛɛl ke ya Kiir cha raj mo cha jakwen President Kiir mayardit ka jen joga pai wa chenede wan che ka watch re which ka South Sudan che Minister of Justice General Education and Trade che je watch ka che gwar che kam radian che Dr. Wek Mamer che je latin la Minister of Justice kan constitutional affair che Dr. Kunyok Abol Kunyok che je la Minister of General Education and Instruction so ne ti ga ne di che kwany anyok atonkol manyang chaja kwan bo la Minister of Trade and Industry ya charaje me chaja kwen gwas mi ya karodian ten me to ba kwar ki me ne to me la kwar ko bi kan la de me kule jako ba kwa Kiir mayardit charaje mo chaja lata banje chulin kel gwas me nyoka to English. President Salva Kiir has called on newly appointed cabinet minister to prioritize serving the people of South Sudan as the nation strives to establish a strong and stable government. Speaking during the swearing-in ceremony held on Wednesday, March 12, 2025, the President Kiir mayardit directed the new official to fully embrace their responsibilities and effectively lead their respective ministers. I congratulate all of you and I wish that you succeed in what you have come for, Kiir mayardit said. We have to come to stay where we should now establish a strong government. I brought you here and I will support you. Go ahead, President Kiir stated. Early this week, President Kiir issued a presidential decree relieving Minister of Justice General Education and Trade, and replace them with Dr. Wek Mamer as the Minister of Justice, and Constitutional Affairs Dr. Kuyok Abol Kuyok as the Minister of General Education and Instruction, while Atonkol Manyang was appointed as the Minister of Trade and Industry. Speaking at the OAS event, Senior Presidential Advisor Kwal Manyang Juk encouraged the new minister to enhance their department's performance, expressing confidence in their capabilities, while Cabinet Affairs Minister Dr. Martin Elia Lumoro called for strong collaboration among government agencies to achieve national objectives. In his part, Information Minister Michael McQuail also urged the incoming official to dedicate more effort to serving the citizen through their respective ministers. So man chalat gwaza me Kiir jen joga ne diala kone kwanya no chan let kɛɛl. Of course ne de kone kwany kane ke chaga joga no chan let kɛɛl ka jak chan kuumɛ me jidit ke kuum bumbum chan ja chak. So ngada je gwa no teme ke jen gwasa me la kuumɛ UPDF la Ugandan People Defense Force jare which ka South Sudan were which ko be Kiir mayardit be gang kui kono kuumɛ te de shakamo so nobody knows what is next. So agenda and titin tama re which ka South Sudan ka do badana Lincoln right to take aja. Mendiro jen chelada no I will support you to establish a strong government. Kɛɛl minister in content jokatin content pa kuany. So ngai kon kan kwara kon pa kuany re which ka South Sudan go re jen wo de ka let kɛɛl ko de kan strong government de kan realeka ki kuumɛ me jidit me bumbum. So agenda na goro no de nywak ya kɛɛl na me bana nyo jigum dien biate kamal bye bye.